What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Polygonians, nice little bounce here for Matic, currently up almost 6% on the day, sitting at $1.30. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.59 billion, 24-hour volume. Excuse me, guys, 636 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto rolling out, my favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour chart. So we had a bullish divergence here. We created a lower low and we created just a slightly higher low here on the RSI. Well, just a slight one, guys, but sometimes that's all you need, as well as a little bit of a double bottom, but I prefer to actually see it as a bit of an ascending triangle. Either way, your target is all the way up at 134. Now, we have come all the way up to 70 on the RSI, and that's usually when we'll see a little bit of consolidation or move back down. Now, of course, we can trend higher, but we do have this level of resistance at 129, and then you have your technical target up at 134 for Matic. Guys, we have members in the Discord posting about Matic, posting about Ethereum. We have one member. Let me find him here, guys. Just a quick second. His name is WTE. And he's always posting about Matic here. So here's my little post about Matic's double bottom, and then he posted a falling wedge here. He's posting about Matic constantly, chart patterns. Terrific member, shout out to you. And if you want to join, guys, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, you can sign up through the Patreon. So we have seen a nice increase in volume here for Matic. So keep an eye on this level of resistance at $1.29. If we pop over to the 4 hour time frame, we're back above the EMAs. So it would be crucial for us to hold support and break $1.29, because we come up and we hit resistance. That's when we can simply roll over and come back down to these levels of support here. But you can see that nice increase in volume here for Matic. So I want to jump over to Ethereum, guys. So we broke out of our symmetrical triangle. It looks like we're on our way to our target here at about 3912, and then we have the previous swing high, which is also the target of our descending channel here at 3992. I'm just going to take this out, it's a little bit distracting. 3992 is your target here. We are starting to trend into overbought on the 4 hour. However, guys, there's a much larger bullish pattern, which is an inverse head and shoulders here on the daily, and we have broken the neckline. So your technical target, this is really exciting, guys. It's all the way up at 4619. If we were to reach this target, it would break the previous all-time high, and that would be extremely bullish for Ethereum and would give us a strong signal. We're going to see continuation on this bull run to new all-time highs, pulling Polygon along with it. All right, guys, so do keep an eye on this pattern. The only thing that's a bit worrisome to me is Bitcoin with our bearish divergence. If we were to create a double top here, we can see a harsher correction. We really want to see Bitcoin reach this technical target and break 60K, because if it does roll over, of course, it will pull the market with it. But the fact we've broken out of this reversal pattern, it's a massive target, which would set a new all-time high for Ethereum and would be absolutely huge for Matic as they move really closely together. So here's Matic on the daily, guys. Same pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're just pushing above the EMA. So if we can come up and break this neckline up at about $1.35 for Matic, extremely bullish, guys. That's when we can see Matic come up and break this previous high, and your technical target from this pattern here is all the way up at $1.76 for Matic. And that would be bringing us closer here to our all-time high for Matic. Absolutely, let's pop into this chart here. Our all-time high is all the way up at 271, and if we do reach that $1.76 price target, would bring us back above the golden ratio, which is at $1.54, and then you have the 0.786 at 198. Now, if Bitcoin were to create that double top and see a bit of rollover here, of course, you would come back down to your levels of support, 121 and 117 for Matic. But as of right now, we've broken out of our little ascending triangle here, and your target is 134, and do keep an eye on this level of resistance at $1.29. But really strong sign that Ethereum is broken out of this inverse head and shoulders. If we do see that continuation, we break this high, we head up to our price target, I think we would see some major movement to the upside for Polygon. But of course, Bitcoin would have to come up and break this, break 60K. If Bitcoin does break 60K, as I said in my 88 video, I think we're looking really, really strong. So it's crucial times. We do have this bearish divergence and the possibility of a double top. We need to come up and break this target, break 60K for Bitcoin. So that's basically it for Matic. Keep an eye on $1.35 in the short term. Watch your level of resistance here at $1.29. Your technical target's up here at 134. Would be really, really strong for Matic to break $1.29 in my opinion, the 0.5 on the fib here. And we also have our target from our larger falling wedge here up at 181 for Matic. All right, guys, that is it for this one. If you want to trade Matic with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. And I believe they're giving over $1,600 in bonuses right now. You get $50 just for your first deposit within 48 hours. Check out the Discord. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.